Hi friends, welcome back to another vlog. I'm traveling in a few days. I wanted to vlog the process of me packing and stuff because I'm so type A. Like, I've already packed like 80% of the way. The only thing left for me to pack is my toiletries and shoes. I'm going for a week, actually 7 days. My trip, I'm going to be in Puerto Rico for 5 or 4 of those days. I'm going to be in Miami one of those days, and I'm also going to be in New York one of those days. I'm really trying to be present in the trips that I embark on, especially if it's the first time I'm doing something. I know that I'll come back to the place again, like, no doubt, right? And that time around, I feel more comfortable vlogging. That's why I don't really vlog a lot of things, especially when I know that that's the first time I'm doing it, because I want to be submersed in the experience that I'm having. I'm actually going to Afronation. Is it Afronation or Afrofest? I feel like it's Afronation. So I'm going to Afronation. I'm very excited about the trip, actually. Very excited. I packed some lit outfits. I wish I had started vlogging earlier, because I was doing like a maintenance vlog. Like, I got my nails done, got my toes done, got my hair did, like relaxed touch up. Right now I'm deciding what to do with my hair. I think I'm going to do like extensions. I'll put a picture of the extensions I'm talking about. Clip-in extensions. I'll go to the hair store to kind of see like what they have in there, so that I can, weigh my options. Although I'm going with people, I feel like I'm the best person that can take my own pictures. Like, I actually put a lot of time and effort into picking and curating my outfit for the entire trip. My outfits for the entire trip, and I don't want it to be a waste. Like, every day is a look. Like, literally every day that I am on this trip, even the airport outfit is a look. I would like great pictures, and in as much as like I love to say, there's only like a couple of people in this life that capture my essence the way it is in real life. That's Faith, Tommy, and I don't know, just Faith, Tommy, sometimes Amy, for me as well. Alright guys, I'm at the mall now. Coming to get my brows threaded. I don't know if I said that or not. It's kind of early and there's not even really a lot of cars here. Today is Monday morning, so I really hope they're open, and I hope that I'm not like unusually early. So anyways, today I'll not be shy. I will vlog shamelessly. That's what I think this is the threading eyebrow ladies, actually. It's like right behind me. Like, you see Argenta, guys. This arch, this brow is my best brow. This one is alright, but it's not all that. It's been so long you guys saw Brady. This is Brady. Brady's doing good. His tires are kind of flat. I need to get them pumped. I need to go to the shop, let them pump. Actually, I can pump it myself. I just prefer that a man pumps my tires for me. Hey. Scam the patriarchy. I am going to go get a new phone today. A new device. A new iPhone. I'm going to get the iPhone 13 Pro. My iPhone 11 takes good pictures, actually. Once in the, like, if it's in good lighting and stuff, but in the long haul, that's just an investment on my YouTube.
Is praying in another language. There have been moments where I have thought to myself,
let's go to the
Lord,
phone shop. You guys, I'm too early. Look at this. 11. I ain't got time for this. Best Buy. I need my phone now. Why are they wasting so much freaking time? Who doesn't open by 9 o'clock in the morning? What's wrong with these people? It's Monday morning and you're not open till 11. What rubbish? What trash?
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking.
Good morning, friends. It's T minus. We'll check how many minutes left for. We'll check how many minutes left for the flight. But I'm about to put my finishing touches to my packing. And oh, by the way, hello from my new phone. This is my bed. These are things, my hair. This side is for my shoes and things to take care of my body side. By the way, I got this rack to be able to visualize and see my outfit. Still have to pack my shoes and decide who's coming and who's not coming.
Even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I change it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new.
Love you.
Yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go.
Okay, guys, so we've just arrived Puerto Rico. This is our Airbnb. Oh, okay. Look at this. Ooh, that's me. Ooh. Oh my gosh. What you ordered plus what you got. Amazing. Okay. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. So cute.
Look at these cute lights. It is a vibe. Look at that. I'm obsessed with this.
Yes, and the outside lights. You love the outside lights.
I do love those lights.
Okay. We're settling in to our Airbnb. This is the shower, more towel. Hey guys, so it's day one, or the first day in Puerto Rico, and like my hair looks crazy because I just took a shower and I can't really be, but I'm going to put a cap on it and sleep. So it's not going to be like this the entire time. But I just wanted to close out the vlog for today. It's been a long day, but yeah, we just ate Burger King because that's the only thing that is open right now. But tomorrow's gonna be fun. We have stuff planned out. Can't wait to take you guys along. I'm actually getting kind of excited. I wasn't excited before because everything didn't seem so real, but now it seems very, very real. So I'm excited about all of that. Okay, ciao. Good morning, vlog. It's a new day. I left the door open. Let me close the door. Let me let you guys see outside a little bit more. It's been raining all night, but it's good though. It's good. It's alright. Okay. Anyways, like I was saying before I interrupted myself, I feel so happy. Like sunlight doesn't like when it's shining outside, doesn't make you like super happy. Anyways, Amy has gone to get our rental car. While I'm here, I'll get ready for the day. I don't know how the day is going to go. I feel like today is day one, so today will give me like a feel of what the other days will feel like. But today is the first day. Are you excited? I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's go. Hi vlog. This is my hipster. So today Burna Boy is performing, and so this is my hipster. You know that Burna Boy is kind of like a hipster, so this is my hipster kind of vibe for today. Bracelets. That shouldn't take too long. Then do whatever with Evelyn, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go scout out the school.
Okay. After that, we should be hungry after school. Lunch. We didn't do anything else. Today's kind of gloomy, so I don't really. Not really a lot of outdoor activities. Let me see what the weather is looking like actually. Very drizzly today.
Unfortunate. Rain.
Okay, we need to find a grocery store to get like a big thing of water.
Yeah, we do.
I think I can pull him up. Burner Boy is gonna call you on stage.
Just because of my sunnies.
Guess who got me those sunnies?
Who?
Guess.
Caleb.
No.
The love of your life. David?
Yeah.
Did David get you these? Oh my god, is he just like the best boyfriend in the whole world?
Go away.
These are more my look though. Hit me, baby, one more time.
Amaru. Make it fire. Yeah, me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you, girl. You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind, only place that I wanna be. You define what true beauty is all the way. So divine, God must took a long time to make you. Yeah, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. I'm right here, right next. Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me.
Wait, who? You have something against black women? You obviously do. Why can't you love somebody like Megan Thee Stallion?
Words when you talking about my baby. I'm out of words every time that she whining for me. For me, eyes only, body in motion, but her eyes on me. Her ex-boyfriend sent the guys on me. Turn around when they saw the 9 on me. Hey, I know.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm about to like get ready for the first show. So today we're supposed to have Burna Boy. He cancelled last minute, so we are going to get Rickross instead. But there are 2 other people that I liked, Cranium and one other person. I don't remember. I think it's either like Techno or somebody. We had some cool food over there, so hopefully by the time we get there, like there's still food, you know, fingers crossed. But I have like 3 hours before we leave, so I said let me get ready. Hi guys, so about to go to the festival. This is my fit for today. Cute. Let me sit down. So that they have some suya over there. They have some suya. Even though Burna Boy is not show up, they have some suya and they have some jollof rice over there. Me, that's what I'm going to go. I'm going for the suya and the jollof rice. Okay, I don't know how you know, it'll be in there. I know it's gonna be like super crazy, but let me go and get my purse and be on our way, guys. Do I look cute? Are you cute or what? Or what? Or what? Okay, guys, skin update. Oh my gosh, my face, amazing. All I have is just like scars. I just wanted to tell you guys that before I left. Okay, bye. Guys, we are now here. It's like 9:40. We just arrived. I'll show you more as we get closer. I gotta walk a little bit.
Good evening. The only persons on the streets of Miami's riot-torn area.